Most freelancers on Upwork think proposals are about proving themselves. But the truth, the longer you talk about yourself, the faster a client stops reading. I reviewed thousands of proposals and I can tell you most fail for 3 reasons. They are too wordy, they don't effectively connect or mirror the client, and they overlook the pain points that are often hiding in plain sight. Today, I'm going to show you my personal recent proposal, the ones that won over millions of dollars in projects, along with 2 generic proposals that completely flopped. You'll see the comparison line by line so you can fix your own proposal today. I completed over 1,400 Upwork projects, earned top-rated plus status, and passed over $1 million in total earnings with a 100% job success rate. I've helped brands like Microsoft, Adobe, and even Stanford University. But this same system worked for brand new freelancers like you. So grab a notebook because we are about to deconstruct the anatomy of a winning proposal. Let's start with a myth. If I sound professional enough, will they hire me? No. Clients aren't grading grammar. They are scanning for relief. They are asking, do you understand my problem and can you fix it fast? See this? It starts with, I am an expert and please check my profile. That's what most freelancers do. The winning proposal has a different strategy. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to write a proposal using these 3 framework tips and how to follow up and close without sounding too salesy. Mirror means to mimic the client's language and the expressions. Match means to resonate with their pain and concerns. And move means state your solution and the next step, your call to action. Website design refresh. Here's a real proposal that turned into an ongoing monthly client. The client wanted a designer to refresh 2 websites and build one on Wix and the one in WordPress, and maintain them going forward. Notice how this resume opens not about me, but about them. When your website looks outdated, visitors feel it too. That line matched their pain. It humanizes the project. Then I matched their checklist: Wix, WordPress, SEO, monthly maintenance. Every line speaks their language. Finally, I moved them with a clear next step, a flat fee, a monthly plan, and a free animated logo. That micro offer built trust. They didn't just like my presentation, they liked how they felt supported and encouraged to take the next step. That's mirror, match, and move in action. Motion graphics demo. This next project stood out because it led with an emotional story. Every frame counts when you're telling a story in motion. Then I offered a free 20-second animated preview, no commitment, just trust. It's a no-risk demonstration, not free work. This tiny gesture triggered a huge response in 5-star reviews. That's not just luck, that's psychology. Offer passion and clarity. WordPress framework built. The next client already had a framework. They didn't just want hype, they wanted confidence. My proposal was simple, direct, and backed by proof. From concept to completion, I guarantee you will be impressed with my range of talent and fast turnaround. I linked my portfolio, my service page, and my PDF. That's organization, not arrogance. Structure and transparency build trust faster than any fancy language could ever. Now, let's look at what not to do. Hi, sir. I am an expert in web design. Please check my profile. That's generic, robotic, and zero empathy. The post was about helping families of children with disabilities, and the proposal didn't acknowledge that mission at all. A better version would be, you're building a space that gives siblings of children with disability a voice, and I'd be honored to design the platform that would help you do it. That's how you match emotion while staying professional. Here's another one. Enthusiastic but vague. I can 100% do this job. This tells the client absolutely nothing. Instead, your SaaS product helps teams simplify data. I can visualize that clarity in 90-second script and can provide an animation storyboard before production. Being specific builds trust. Vague promises to destroy it. Let's recap what makes this work. Every successful proposal follows one rhythm: mirror, match, and move. Mirror means to mimic the client's language and expressions. Match means to resonate with their pain and concern. And move means to state your solution and the next step, your call to action. If your proposal lacks any of these, it's probably getting skipped. These 3 steps helped me to close over $1 million in contracts because they had turned proposal into conversation, not just sale pitches. Here's what happens when you use this method consistently. Clients say things like flexible and knowledgeable, help them navigate changes successfully, easy to work with, and understanding of what we were looking for. You did a great job, and we are very thankful. They weren't buying design or motion graphics. They were buying relief, trust, and clarity. And that's what your next proposal should deliver. Now you have the framework that helped me build a 7-figure freelancing career on Upwork. But watching is not enough. Action wins jobs. Please comment below which part of your proposal needs the most help. Remember, your next client is just one clear message away. They are waiting for you. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your freelancing to the next level, then check out the links in the description below. You can book a one-on-one consultation with me, grab my Upwork proposal template, or download the profile optimization checklist to boost your visibility. And don't forget to join my Facebook community where freelancers like you are growing every day. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep building your freelance future, one smart proposal at a time. Until next time, be freelantastic.